With every step I'm taking, stay forever by my side. Show me your way, Jesus, the path that leads to you. Open up my eyes to see the faithful and the true. Lead me to your presence where the heavy burden cease. Wrap me in your mercy and hold me in your peace. Your word is like a lantern, a lamp unto my feet. In the middle of the struggle, your promise is complete. Neither height nor depth can part us from the love that you have shown. I am resting in the shadow of the King upon the throne. In your presence is the fullness of a joy that never ends, a peace that passes understanding, on which my soul depends. Teach me, Lord, your statutes, write your truth upon my heart. Let me never wander, let me never depart. Show me your way, Jesus, the path